Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 15th, 2021. You guys can see from my chart that I wanted to come in and give you all an update on GNOG's price target. We're going to give you all an updated price target as to where I'm looking for the price to go, so that you and I won't be confused, we won't be caught off guard, and we will be expecting this market to continue to do what? Go down. So before I talk about that a little bit further, if today's your first time ever seeing our videos and our content, you guys want to learn more about what we do, then I will recommend that you guys tap in with me, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel, because one thing I want you all to know and see is that you can do this for yourself. You don't have to be dependent on all these other YouTubers and reading articles and be reliant upon stock analysts, research analysts to do the work for us. We can simply look at the price chart and actually gauge where the market is trying to go without being confused. So I would recommend that you all tap in with me as I continue to show you how we work this here without being confused, without being hyped up, without the FUD, without the FOMO. We are literally giving you information that we can use. So I wanted to come in real quick because I'm noticing on the charts that the market in GNOG is still weak. Now I know many of you may be holding the play right now. I know many of you may be holding for the long term. Well, then this video may not be applicable for you, because currently the trend in GNOG is one of weakness. I mean, matter of fact, on our last video, which was on September 22nd, 2021, I told everyone that I was expecting the price to go down, and that is literally what the market in GNOG has done. So pretty good call from that perspective of about 10.25% price movement to the downside. So that is pretty good to see. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And I'm going to take this over into a different time frame because I wanted to show you how weak the market in GNOG really is. Okay, so when we start out the market on a 3-day time frame, you guys can tell that literally over the last couple of 3-day price bars, we really haven't seen any inclination that the market is getting stronger. As a matter of fact, it's been the opposite. We've been seeing the price in GNOG continue to show us that people are selling, right? We're not seeing the instance that the market really wants to go up in price yet. And as a matter of fact, this current 3-day price bar, which is starting right now, is already showing us that the weakness is still present. So that is another hint that I'm seeing on a chart that would kind of substantiate that the market in GNOG is prepared to continue to go lower in price, right? All of these 3-day price bars, which is combined and collected right around this $17 price level as support, we needed to see strength. And so far, we are definitely not seeing that on the 3-day time frame. Look at this on a weekly. Now, this is the weekly time frame in GNOG, and this current week, this was our opportunity for GNOG to actually go up in price. And a matter of fact, we did. Throughout this week, we've seen the price in GNOG come all the way up here towards $18.50. But for us to close right now down to $17.24 kind of lets me know that there is no one who is out in the market buying GNOG right now. Okay, so you guys can literally tell from our last video that I've created this horizontal line right here in GNOG around $17. Now that is still applicable, but I want us to be forward thinkers, forward predictors, and say, okay, cool. What if the market in GNOG actually breaks $17 to the downside? Where would be the next level that we would expect the price to go, right? The next level would be either $16, and I'm actually seeing around $15 as the second level of support into the market in GNOG. So I'm going to get prepared, right? I'm not expecting the market in GNOG to hold $17 right now. Based off the last 3 weeks of price action into the market in GNOG, we are still seeing that the market is trying to break that to the downside. So in order for us to be prepared for that, let's anticipate how low the market's going to go now. So I said the first level is going to be around $16, right? This is the monthly time frame, okay? This monthly time frame in GNOG definitely still relates how weak the market is. I mean, during the month of September, pretty much the whole month of September, the price has been going down. So anyone who's been pumping GNOG during the month of September ought to be ashamed of themselves, because for us to see this price close down here on the low of the bar of September lets us know that we still got some weakness to go through. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this real quick. I wasn't going to spend too much time on this particular video. Just wanted to come in and provide you all an update as to what I'm seeing into the market for GNOG. Okay, so let me do this real quick. We're still going to anticipate the market in GNOG to go down. Okay, now that weakness entails us first of all seeing the market come in and hit $16, and then secondly around 15. Those are the two areas that I'm looking for the market in GNOG to now to trend or go down towards a track. Okay, now give me this. allow me some margin of error, because I'm still seeing the ability of GNOG coming in and holding that $17 price, right? So I can still see that there's a slim chance that the price in GNOG can hold $17. So let's not be oblivious and say that that's not going to happen. I want us to try to use that as a risk as to what will stop the price in GNOG from dropping. It's literally that $17 price. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lower this down just a tad to 16, because that's the second level that I'm expecting this price in GNOG to try to come down towards, and then ultimately 15. All right, so that is it. I just wanted to come in real quick, provide an update to you all in the market in GNOG, because I know a lot of people, you know, once the market in GNOG went up in price, they did a whole bunch of videos, and of late you're hearing crickets. You know, people's not coming through and providing updates for you all in terms of where the price is going to go. So as long as the price in GNOG continues to trade below $19, okay, we're going to expect this market to go lower. It's that easy, just that simple. So we're just going to simply sit back, kick back, let the market continue to trade, but we are already in position. Like, this is what I'm seeing. So tell me, what are you noticing on the price chart in GNOG? I know that many of you were happy to see the price in GNOG back here during the month of August shoot up. What? How high did the price go in GNOG on that merger event? The market increased about 88% from August the 6th all the way to the high from September the 8th. So about a month, the price has increased 88%. Very good gains. But many people try to get you all to hold on for the long term. They want you to hold on to GNOG for the next 15, 20 years. And there's no guarantee that the price in GNOG will ever come back up to 23 or even higher. There's no guarantee. So did you take profits out the market when the market in GNOG shot up to $24? Or are you still holding the bag? Because now you're losing out on those gains. Rather than getting that 88%, your profitability is now around 40. So we lost about half of that profitability in the market in GNOG. So tell me your situation. And as always, give me your price prediction into the market in GNOG. I definitely would like to create this community of people who is interested in predicting the markets, right? You don't have to put no money on the line. Just simply leave me a comment in the comment section and tell everyone what is your thoughts about GNOG. Where do you think the price is going to go for GNOG in the next 3 weeks, right? Let's do during the month of November. Where are we headed, right? This is my expectation still. I'm still seeing a weakness. I'm just extending down the support area for us to continue to eat off this market going lower. So hit me up, let me know. Make sure you always maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.